The world consists of just about 3 trillion trees, impacting and influencing our lives every day.
Around the globe, forests provide us with precious oxygen, various timber and non-timber resources, a continuously flowing water cycle, and a defense against erosion.
But this balance is falling apart as deforestation cuts its way through forests, leaving its scar around the world.
To make matters worse, our multiplying population is pushing forests to their limits as our dependence upon them increases for accessible land.
Each year, 3 billion tons of CO2, a greenhouse gas, are produced and warm the atmosphere due to deforestation.
If we persist to rush and push our world deeper into the heat of climate change with our growing population, our environment will be at stake.
To solve this issue, we can establish national parks, depend on technology rather than paper sources, and preserve trees in their natural habitats.
Only you can prevent deforestation.